This tutorial will cover the first step of creating an event and configuring its schedule within Nonprofit Easy. To create an event, mouse over the Events menu header and click on Create Event. This will open the Add Edit Event screen, where you must start by specifying the name of the event in the Event Title field. The Event Schedule section is where you will configure on what dates and times the event will occur and if the event will repeat. Start by setting the event's start and end dates, as well as the time of day the event will start and end. If an event will occur on a single day, the start and end date should be the same day. Otherwise, for multi-day events, specify a date range. If desired, you may hide either or both of the start or end dates for the event from your public site. For events that will repeat at regular intervals, check the Yes, this event repeats checkbox, and you will be provided with further options. First, start by specifying if the repeating events are part of a single event with one registration, or if they will be separate repeating events with separate registrations. Next, specify the frequency of recurrence as either daily, weekly, monthly, or other. With the daily recurrence, set the number of days in between each occurrence, including the day of the event as one of those days. With the weekly option, you will again specify the time between, but will also be able to specify which days of the week the event will fall upon. Monthly will allow you to either specify the day of the month, or you can specify certain days of the week in relation to their position in the month. For daily, weekly, and monthly, you will lastly be asked to set the date to continue to repeat the event until. Lastly, Other allows you to set irregular schedules by setting the exact days of occurrence as well as customized times. When using the Other option, set the from and to dates and times and click the Add button for each date and time you wish to add. Once the schedule is configured, you may proceed to outline the details and description of the event in the Event Details section. This section will be what the public sees on your website if the event has been made public and you have opted for website integration. To specify if an event is public or not, scroll down to the Privacy Settings section and indicate either the event as public or private. If public, you may indicate to publish now, publish on a specific date, or publish a specific amount of time before the event starts. If you desire for event tickets to count as donations to your organization, indicate this in the Donations Options section. It is recommended that you consult with your accounting professional before using this option. The Additional Options section will provide more options for the event, including attaching it to a program or campaign, asking for a donation with event registration, or selecting custom content to use with the event tickets and receipts. For more on custom content, please see the tutorial on creating and assigning custom ticket and receipt content. If you have decided to use Nonprofit Easy's financial module, the account name and class name that the ticket registrations will be assigned to can be indicated here. Once you have finished configuring the event and its schedule, and assuming there are no further changes you wish to make to the event, click the Save button. This concludes the tutorial on creating an event and event schedule configuration within Nonprofit Easy. Please review the next tutorial on configuring event registration ticket types.